In this guide, you'll learn how to download and install COD Warzone on a PC or a laptop completely free. First, launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to the website callofduty.com. Now head over to the section Games and click on the option COD Warzone. Scroll down to see the available platforms, and for PC, click on battle.net. This will start downloading the battle.net setup file. After the download is complete, close your browser and open the File Explorer. Go to your Downloads folder, find the battle.net setup file and double-click it. If you see a Windows pop-up, allow it to continue. The battle.net launcher will begin installing, so give it a moment to finish. While that's loading, go back to battle.net website and hover over account at the top right. If you don't already have an account, create one. For that, click on the option Create Account and follow these steps. Enter your birthday, name, email address, agree to the terms, set a password, and create a battle tag, which will be your public username. Once your account is created, return to the Battle.net launcher and sign in using the email and password you just set up. After signing in, click on Games at the top. In your favorites, you should see Call of Duty. Click on it and you'll see the option to play for free for Call of Duty Warzone. Click on it to begin the installation process. You can choose the folder where you want the game installed, select your preferred language, and decide whether you want automatic updates or a desktop shortcut. When everything is set, click Start Install. The download will begin, and once it's finished, the install button will change to play. Click play and Call of Duty Warzone will launch on your PC. That's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed COD Warzone for free on your PC. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.